This question looks very complicated, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. This question specifically deals with evaluating stacked power. Stacked power is also known as nested exponential. Now, how do we evaluate this kind of problem? The order of evaluation of this kind of the order of evaluation of this kind of problem is from top to down. Now, unlike standard operation that reads from left to right, an exponential tower without parentheses must be evaluated from top to down. So we are going to be looking at it from this top to this down. Now, when you look at it, something should call your attention. This one here should call your attention. Remember, one of the laws of indices, a raised to the power of 1 is equal to a. And 1 raised to the power of anything, 1 raised to the power of anything, sorry, 1 raised to the power of anything is 1. So everything here raised to the power of 1 is the number. So, and 1 raised to the power of everything here gives 1. So it means the actual solution of this problem lies in 4 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, what is 4 raised to the power of 2? That is 4 times 4, and that gives 16. Now, we are going to raise the 16 by this power. So we have 16 times 16, and the answer to the problem is 256. 256. Now, I need you to try this problem. Try this problem and put your answer in the comment section. 3 raised